Day 22, my friends. It's me, Coach Vigue. 30 days of yoga. Got some really unique moves for you this morning. Some neat pulses, great flexibility, feeling younger, feeling stronger, and always living better and better days. Sunglasses off. I'll tell you what, today's random question is, as a kid, those are always great questions. We're so informed by what we thought and did as children, as kids, forms us the rest of our life. What was your favorite toy? What's your favorite toy as a child, as a kid? If you remember that, let us know below. All right, breathe in the nose, out the nose, use control. Let's flow every day, getting on this mat with me and making a huge difference in your body's ability to move. Got a lot of great feedback on this one, so we're gonna do it to start this stretch. It's a child's pose circle. So we start by going back and forth. Always the back and forth. And add the circles if you like. Look at this circle right here going all the way up and down the spine. You notice right when I started doing that, my hands went forward because I'm opening up my spine even more. Some nice decompression happening. And of course, breathe into it. Breathe into those ducks out there. So we come up and then sink back. Might look a little but my goodness, what it's doing to your back and your back muscles. Fantastic. Other direction. Anyone coming? Okay. Circling around. Great precision, great flow. And of course, enjoy it. Two more times. Excellent. Sink it back. Oh, I gotta itch my nose there for a second. Now come forward and lower down. Take the hands to the edges of the mat, feet the same. Going to do a pulsing cobra here in a wider stance. You can also take the hands out further if you wish. We're going to inhale up and exhale, lower down. Feel that stretch in the spine, the nice lift. Drop the shoulders and release. Keep it going. Do we have any ants out here? I'm going to venture out here. Look at this. Curve in the low back. Massage the rib cage down. Let's do 3 more. And 1 more time. Come on up. Whew. Now, lower down. Let's lift it up. Hold. If you like, you can lift off the mat right here. I just spit. That means it's working. Oh, you're over there. Shoulders back. Working the arms, working the shoulders. 5 more breaths. Take this wider, too. Look at that. Nice cavitation. Things moving. Things reporting for duty in the right place. All right, knees down, slowly lower down to the mat. Get the full extension. Wiggle the toes, the ankles. You can get little cramps in the feet there, so shake out the legs, leg curls. Forearms down. Okay. Let's come to down dog. Just for a moment. Press back towards the heels. How's your down dog feeling here on day 22? Then we're gonna walk the hands back. Soften the knees. Inhale, rise up. Stack, stack, stack. What am I doing? Shoulders back and down, and then tuck the chin. Lower down, relax the spine. Up and down. Whew. Crown of the head. Good. Let the spine be a wet noodle. Hello. Down. And once again, vertebrae by vertebrae, like you're stacking into a wall behind you. Shoulders back and down, tall. Now lace the fingers, soften the knees. Mudra dive. Rise up. Back bend. Whew. Again, soften those knees. This one might pull your pants down. Two more times with the mudra, M-U-D-R-A. Rising up. Good, open. Once more. Okay. Hold it here, 2 more breaths. All right, release the arms. Come back up. Ooh, we're gonna do one more variation on this flop down, on this dive down. But first, let's lace the fingers. Place the hands on your low back, back bend. Let your tummy pooch out. You're breathing right into it. Let all that breath open up right there. All right, feet just a little further apart. Soften the knees. Let the arms come down. Different variation here. Tuck the chin. We're going to dive down, reach the arms up. Using the core for control. Stacking, stacking, stacking. Then arms up over the head, back bend. Again, dive slowly, slowly, with control. Feel lightheaded, have a seat. Leave this one out for now. You can always focus on that back bend. 2 more times. A lot of bird activity today. I love it. And once more. Hold for 3 breaths. Arms slowly coming down and rising back up. Shoulders back and down. Take an extra shoulder roll here. Blood out of the brain. All right, step that right foot forward. Lunge with prayer twist. Feet are staggered, hands together. Twist to the right. 5 breaths. Every exhale, draw your right shoulder back. Press that left heel towards the ground. There it is, that sweet spot. All things align and a river runs through it. All right, we're going to turn this into a side lunge. Turn, open up, draw these toes towards you. Right hand down, left arm up. Up and over. 3 more breaths. All right, hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. Shake it out. When you're ready, left foot forward. We have lunge with our prayer twist. So sinking down, hands together, twist. 5 breaths. Turning into side lunge. Hey, how are you? Yeah, hi. All right, let me scooch back a little bit here. This hand down, up and over. Reaching up, of course, and then side bend. So it's not here, it's up first and then over. Ooh, like that. Working into our lats, into our hips. Still maintaining a tall position. All right, down dog. Shake it out. Oh, okay. Bring the left foot forward and we turn. Garland. Hands here, forearms, or bring the hands down, or hands together rather. What is, okay, is this a duck swimming around back there? The duck's laughing at me. Put a little fin on it, like a shark, okay. And rock it side to side. Our nice garland with twist with the movement. Always very satisfying, electrifying the hips, electrifying the glutes, keeping our upper body tall. If you like, you could reach this hand across, and this one goes up. A little added bonus, right? Bonus points. All right, one more time each side. Oh, melting down, and then back down dog. Walk it out, my friends. Beautiful work. Adding a twist. This is what we like. Keeping a lot of these flows a good around 10 minutes, a great time. Can get a lot done in 10 minutes. It fits into even the busiest schedules. Do them anywhere and anytime. 2 more each side. 1, 2, 2. Knees down, sitting back. Shoulder rolls again. Shoulder rolls. Well done, my friends. This is day 22 of 30 Days of Yoga. Please subscribe if you're enjoying these videos and click that notification bell up there to never ever miss one of these workouts. Click the like button and invite friends to join us, especially those you know who really need this. And today's random question was, what was your favorite toy as a child? I was meditating on that during the flow. I do lots of things during the flow. And the first one that came to mind was Castle Grayskull from He-Man. Roll them one at a time back. But then I thought the toy I played with more than anything was the G.I. Joe Command Center. It even made it into a lot of my home videos. And yes, I did many hours of home videos as a child by myself and with my friends. If you stayed overnight at my house, if you did a sleepover, we filmed. And the G.I. Joe Command Center I got for Christmas, I think back in 1980, and it was a centerpiece of my room, and it was a star in all these wild home videos. So let us know below, favorite toy. It's always good to go back and remember those things that gave us so much instant, pure, focused joy. It is. What a beautiful day. You know, it was 26 degrees this morning, and now it's like 55. Florida has done me well, my friends. God bless you. I'll see you tomorrow for day 23. Always great to see you. There's that one guy back there. You got to stop grumbling so much. You know who you are, but I love ya. I love ya.